Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you, my dear students? Hope you are well by the Almighty Allah. I am also well by the mercy of Him. Okay? Follow the headline Story of Kavita 2. There are several passages on Kavita. Now it is the story of Kavita 2. From this passage, we will learn something new. The lessons we will learn here. Number 1, question. Number 2, gaps. Number 3, MCQ answers. Part 1, questions. This is the part in which we will learn about questions, how the questions will be appeared and how we can give answers them. Here we will learn. Follow the passage with meaning. If we read out the passage or each sentence, we will be successful to answer all the questions. The name of Kavita's village is Sundarpur. It is a small village. It is a small village on the bank of the river Kalini. The beautiful river flows through the village. There are one high school, 3 primary schools and vocational training center in the village. Kavita and her friends learn computer at this center. There is a theater club and a small library too. Kavita can borrow books from the library. She borrows books, one history, poetry and children's classics. The theater club stage plays regularly. Last month, Kavita enjoyed the Mahua drama dance performed by the theater club. The village has a bazaar on the riverside. This is a very noisy and dirty place. Kavita never goes to the bazaar. The village roads are also narrow and dirty. Although there is electricity in Sundarpur, the villagers experience frequent load shedding in summer. Okay, this is the description of Kavita's village. Kavita lives in a village. It is a small village. It stands on Kalini River. The river is beautiful, which flows through the village. The village is belonging one high school, 3 primary schools, and a vocational center. Kavita and her friends learn computers at the center. There is a theatre club in the village. Kavita goes there and enjoy the Mahua drama dance. There is electricity facility in the village, but in summer the villagers have to face frequent load shedding. This is the summary of this passage. According to the passage, here 5 questions are kept. Number 1, who is Kavita? Number 2, where is the computer center? Number 3, who learn computer? Number 4, what does Kavita enjoy? Number 5, what do the villagers experience? Okay? Try your level best to make the correct answers. Why not? Before these questions, I show you the whole passage, summarize, and so on. Again, I show you the passage to have a support to make the answers. Read out yourself and capture the meaning to make answers of the 5 questions. Okay? See here, the columns are kept blank. Here you need to write the answers only. Who can give the answers? Try your level best as per the passage. 5 questions, 5 columns, blank. Follow here the answers. Who is Kavita? Kavita is a student. Where is the computer center? The computer center is in the Sundarpur village. Okay? Who learned computer? Kavita and her friends learn computer. What does Kavita enjoy? Answer: Kavita enjoys the Mahua drama dance. What do the villagers experience? The villagers experience of a frequent load shedding in summer. Okay? 5 questions, 5 answers. Part 2, gaps. Already our part 1 is finished. Now we have to be advanced with part 2 and we will learn here gaps. Yes, the gaps will be built up according to the passage of Kavita. So, follow here again the passage of Kavita. and you will get a support to fill up the blanks. Very vividly, I show you 5 gaps. Here follow. The name of Kavita's village is Sundarpur. It is a small village on the bank of the river Kalini. The beautiful dash flows through the village. There are one high school, 3 primary schools and vocational training center in Dash village. Kavita and her friends learn computer at this center. There is a theatre club and a small library too. Kavita can borrow books from the library. She borrows books on history, poetry and children's classics. The theatre club stages Dash regularly. Last month, Kavita enjoyed the Mahua Dash dance performed by the theatre club. The village has a bazaar on the river side. This is a very noisy and dirty place. Kavita never goes to the bazaar. The village dash are also narrow and dirty. Although there is electricity in Sundarpur, the villagers experience frequent load shedding in summer. Okay, I show 5 gaps as per the passage. Just trying yourself, you need to fill up the blanks with suitable words from the passage. Observe the passage again. Here, the white color marked words are the suitable words to fill up the blanks. River displays drama roads. Okay, 5 gaps, 5 suitable words. In this way, you need to fill up the blanks by study yourself. Part 3. Already part 1 and part 2 are complete. Now we have come to part 3. Here we will learn about MCQ. What is MCQ? How the MCQ questions are to be appeared and how the answers are to be selected. Now we will learn. Okay? Follow the whole passage. Again, you need to read out the passage. I show you to have a good support by reading out the passage again and again. If we read the passage with meaning again and again, all the questions item will be easy for us. It may be questions, it may be blanks, it may be paragraph writing, it may be MCQ. Okay? Follow here. MCQ questions are built up just by reading out the passage with careful attention. We have to select the best answer. The name of the village is Kamlapur, Sundarpur, Nurpur. Kamlapur, Sundarpur, Nurpur. Here, which is correct? Think yourself. The village stands on a pond, river, sea. Kavita learns training, computer teaching. She borrows books, library training. Load shedding is in summer, winter, raining. More than one MCQ is delivered. Just as per the passage, we have to find out the correct one. Okay? We have to find out the correct one. Follow here. Already the answers are delivered. Just if we read carefully, we will understand our turning point and the best answers. The white color marked words are the MCQ answers. Really, Sundarpur, river, computer, books, summer. The name of the village is Sundarpur. The village stands on a river. Kavita learns computer. She borrows books. Load shedding is in summer. Okay? Part 4 revision. Now we have come to part 4. Part 4 is the important part of study to a student. Read out the passage and remember the meaning and each sentence with your brain. Hope you will be successful of the 3 items, namely questions, fill in the blanks, MCQ answers. Okay? Thank you very much. Wish you good luck to the Almighty Allah.